dog, like you're lucky.
Right, I know. Yes.
All right, so happy Friday! Yay! It's almost the weekend, or it is the weekend. Is Friday the weekend? Should we count Friday as the
I
weekend?
consider Friday the weekend.
Yeah. So happy weekend.
And 4-day weekend, Martin Luther King Day.
Right.
Some of you get off.
I just realized that when my daughter came home. I was like, oh, and we're supposed to get snow tomorrow, so yay!
See, the opposites. I'm telling you, we work so well.
All right, so we'll go ahead and get started, guys. This is super fast, super easy,
And super yummy.
And super yummy. I came up with this recipe probably about 6 months ago, 5 months ago. I was really, really hungry for a burger, but I didn't want to go get some fast food stuff, and I was like, what can I make myself? So this is what I came up with, and it is so good. So we are going to get started. I'm going to let you do all the ingredients, and you might need to take your ring off. So I'm going to get you a little
cup from a ring.
cup, a little puppy cup. How cute is this?
Yay.
I want a wiener dog so badly. So y'all should all get a hold of my husband. His name is Ken Leach on
And it has to be
Facebook.
black and tan.
And it has to be black and tan,
It has to
and
be
I want a
wiener
little
dog.
wiener dog, so you should message him and say, your wife really, really should get this dog. So, there you go. That's my plug to get my little wiener dog. But anyway, so we have our ground turkey, and this is 1 pound, and this is probably going to make about 4 burgers, or 2, however big you want them to be. So we're going to take that, we're going to put in some soy sauce.
Okay.
And just dab it in there. It ends up being probably about 2 tablespoons. No, keep going. Yeah. There you go. Probably about 2 tablespoons worth of soy sauce. Then we're going to get some of the Montreal steak seasoning.
Montreal steak seasoning.
So a little tip, if you're cooking with turkey and you want it to taste more like a beef, this
really makes
is
it
really going to give it that beefy flavor. So we're going to just sprinkle, we're going to do a lot of that. Yeah, okay. To your tasting, to your liking. Then we're going to just sprinkle in a little bit of minced garlic, just a little bit, probably like a ½ tablespoon. There you go. That's good.
Okay.
And then we're going to take our spinach and put our spinach in there. Now, do you cut the stems off of your spinach?
I don't. I just throw it
I
all
don't
in
either.
there.
Some do, some don't. It's, again, to your liking. I'm going to turn down our...
Just dump it all in there?
you don't have to necessarily dump all of it. Well, maybe, yeah.
It's
Dump it all.
Why not? Spinach is good for you.
Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and put some olive oil on our pan here. And then you're going to dump some cheese in it.
Yes.
And that is a ½ cup of cheese. All right.
Good.
And then she's going to get in there and get messy.
Alright, just wash your hands.
Oh, wash your hands, definitely.
I already washed it, but I feel like I have to do that again.
Cleanliness.
After touching all the stuff. You should be so proud now.
If you guys are watching this, while you're watching it, it takes 2 seconds. Hit the little share button for us. We'd love to have you do that for us. All right, she's gonna mush it all
Mix it all together.
And you can put whatever you want if you don't want.
Like I do jalapenos in mine.
Yeah, you can do jalapenos. You don't have to do the cheese. You don't,
Now,
if you just want a regular burger and you don't like spinach, which who doesn't like spinach? The spinach you can have taste.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, really? Can you just get the spinach in there, people? Just get the spinach.
It's really healthy for you.
It's not bad.
It's not going to hurt you. And it
So
looks really pretty.
For
And
people
healthy.
who are asking about lean and green, did you do your little calculations here about what that would
Oh, yeah. So we're going to weigh it.
be? Okay.
We will weigh it. And when I've made it, it's been 2 burgers equals a lean and green.
Okay.
So.
Yes. And then of course your veggies. If you've got your spinach in there, you're going to be wrapping this lettuce, and then that would be your other green, and then all that good stuff. And I'm making this little patties.
Yeah,
I think it's a little bit
why
more,
it's.
Might be a little too much spinach.
Maybe here, we'll take some of that spinach out.
Yeah.
There we go.
That way it can really
Yeah.
mold together a little bit. See?
There we go. And you can make them really
Just don't look
thick
at my
because
nails
they
anymore.
will cook down. I know we're going to start having to make sure our nails
I
look
know my
good
nails
with
are
our new,
hideous right now.
our new production. All right, just kind of squeeze it with your fingers, get it all in there. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stick 'em in
Something's
there.
not happening here. Something's wrong
Sorry,
here.
y'all. Just remember, if I can do this, anyone can. Okay.
All right, I'm going to kind of fold it into it a bit. All right, and the what is this called? Spinach. Yeah, is supposed to be.
And it might be,
All in there.
I mean, when I've done this before, I'll chop the spinach up.
This is one big chunk.
Hey, I never said it was going to be pretty, okay? I'm just saying it's going to taste good.
That's like the biggest chunk I've ever seen.
Okay, take it back. What do we not want to call them? Well, instead of burgers, maybe loaf? Turkey! I mean, spinach, avocado, turkey loaf.
Loaf.
There you go.
Or plop.
Plop.
That doesn't sound right. Y'all can name it whatever y'all want to name it.
You know, I know people like to make things look pretty, but let's just be real. It's all going in your tummy, okay? Does it really have to look good?
Yes.
Okay.
It's about presentation.
Does it really have to have the garnish?
Yes.
I mean, real.
All right, just don't worry about that. That's a lot. I think I chopped the spinach up last time.
Yeah, I know that's what
So we're gonna add that to the recipes.
Chop the spinach
Chop
up,
the
okay?
spinach up. I think that's where I kind of. Can we get a close up on this? This is. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious! Look at the little stems sticking out. That's all right, guys. Just make sure you chop this up before. So we just skipped a step. That's because we're just so hungry, and this is just so delicious.
Yeah. You know, and really, you could just take the spinach and put it right there on the skillet. Why not?
You're right.
You know, can't we just do that?
All right, so we are going to. Yeah, sure.
You know, that could be the pretty garnish on the side.
There you go. Or we can mix it in with the avocado. All right. So while that is cooking, we are going to be making our avocado topping. That little spread. Because I really don't like to eat a lot of ketchup. Ketchup has a lot of sugar in it. But I don't want to eat my burger dry. Like that's
no good.
no good. That's no fun. So 2 things you can do. One is light Laughing Cow cheese, cream, whatever. This counts as a condiment if you're on plan. You can spread that over top of it. Super, super yummy, super good. Or we can just make this quick, super fast little
Yummy topping.
yummy topping. Let me get I have a knife. Got another. So we're just going to slice open our avocado. It feels like it is. And
I think this one was better.
was it? Oh gosh.
See, this one's a little mushy.
Guys, this is a Monday for us. Alright. Pop that up. This one's mushy too. It'll work. It'll be fine. Yeah, we're mushing it all up. So even if it isn't, right, if you can do that to it,
Yeah.
you see that, how it's getting all mushy? Just mush it in there. Doesn't have to be chopped pretty. We're using it as a dip. So just mush it. Mush it up. And then you just pop it in there. Yummy.
I love avocado.
And do you mind getting me the salt and pepper? It's right behind us. And then we
Well,
have
this time-
this amazing avocado squasher. I think this is an avocado squasher. Maybe, I don't know. What I use it for. Alright, so we're just going to mash that up really, really good. Sorry guys, I got Alabama cookie hair going on today. So it's like all up in my face. Squish, squish, squish. You can add lemon or lime to this too if you like, to give it more of that tropical flavor. I wonder what kind of, have you ever been there?
I have not. Been to Jamaica.
I've been there like on cruises and stuff, but never like the resort type thing. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. Y'all wanna watch me flip these? Now, obviously, we're not gonna make these this big. This is just, you know, really big.
That is not, so what, both of those are not a lean ingredient.
So,
We have to
no, one of these would be a lean ingredient. So we probably should have made these into about 4 different patties.
Just so you know.
But you're gonna get the basic general idea if we can keep one whole.
It's a loaf. It's not a
It's
burger.
a loaf. It's a loaf, guys. Just
Okay.
improvise, adapt,
Yes.
simplify.
Doesn't have to be complicated. Now, did
No.
we get the lettuce out or no? We're not doing.
No. That's if you want to wrap it.
Yeah.
You can wrap it. That's
Right.
fine.
Got it.
But we were just gonna make some burgers. We can get a little cheese and stick it on top, but you're not gonna wanna because this is amazing. So all we're adding is we have our avocado, salt and pepper. We can add some lime or some lemon. Do you want me to add lime or lemon?
I'm good with
You
it.
good? Okay, we'll leave it like this, and then we're just gonna put a little bit of mayonnaise in, just a little bit. Not much, probably about, what, 2 tablespoons worth of mayonnaise. Now this is gonna count as condiment, and your avocado is gonna count as your healthy fat. So then we're just going to get a spoon and mix it.
You got my phone for our little selfie coming up here.
I know, because it's almost done. Like, guys, super fast. We've been on for 10 minutes. And it's done. Alright, check out this avocado topping. So good, so healthy, an awesome replacement. Mayonnaise. So
It's a perfect
blend of it.
Yeah.
Again, if you don't like that, you don't like avocados, you can do the Laughing Cow cheese wedges, and it's obviously going to taste different. It's going to give it a different flavor, but it works too. That way you don't having to use ketchup that has a lot of sugar. Mustard has sugar, has sodium. It's just a healthier version, guys. So we are going to check this. Again, not our best as far as showmanship, but I promise you, you saw the picture. It tastes amazing.
You
it
saw
looks
what could
amazing.
be done.
Right, you saw the potential. So that's, oh, I just put my thing away. My goodness.
We need a little plate there. Or here's our plate, right?
Well, I took the, yeah, we're going to use this. Alright, so first we're going to make sure it's cooked all the way. Definitely is. So, again, not our best showmanship award here. Because we should have made this into 4, but oh my word, that's just like
Hey,
a mess.
it is yummy, and that's all that matters.
Alright, so we're going to get this little piece here. We're going to get a little bit from here. And make this look like a burger, guys.
You add that avocado topping.
Here we go. Oh,
Okay.
look, that one looks like a burger. That's the one we'll use for your picture. Alright, so I'm going to turn this off because it's done, guys. I think I'm turning it off.
Do a little spread with this.
Yeah. Spread that on top. And voila. There's your turkey burger.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, yeah.
Alright, now our favorite part. A little bit better. Good. And then you can actually wrap it in some,
Oh my gosh.
is it good?
Try it. It's amazing.
Yeah, you can wrap it in
The lettuce. I always
Yeah.
like to get the little boat lettuce. I have like them in my fridge all the time.
Yep.
I pretty much use it for my taco shell and my burger bun and everything. Because I don't really do very much bread.
It was really good. And you can taste the soy sauce. You can taste the
It honestly doesn't.
Monterey.
It's so funny because like the first time I did these turkey burgers, I don't really feel like it tastes like turkey. You know?
Right. Sorry, I have a kid coming home from school. He definitely loves being on camera. He just left and went out. He's not going through the front door.
So it's like mom's doing that thing again.
I'm done. All right, guys. This is
so good.
Putter's
So good.
watching.
Y'all have a happy weekend Friday. Hopefully.
Mom's watching.
my mom. Oh, hi, mom. My mom.
Hi,
I showed you the picture of her hair, right?
Yes, I
just
love
got her hair
your
done.
hair.
So cute.
Very good.
Scar, do you want to taste this? We'll have Scar
All right,
taste it.
she's going to have to start to taste it.
Because this is just to let you know that your teenagers will eat this too. Here you go. I won't feed you. You can like hold it. What's that? Like 2 thumbs up? All right, guys, and that's it. I will post the recipe. You can go sit down. Thank you. Let's give Scarlett a round of applause. I'll post the recipe after we're done here. And yeah, that was easy.
Yeah, it
That
was
was
super
fast.
easy and fast. And have a great long weekend for those of you that have off on Monday.
What did you say?
Hearts, likes, shares, replays.
I was about to say that.
Likes, shares, replay. If you're watching this on
Replay.
replay. Then hashtag replay.
Hashtag replay. And yeah, and if you're watching right now, take 1/2 a second and hit the share button. Right? Takes 2 seconds.
That's
All right.
good.
Have a happy, super happy weekend. What's Monday's holiday? Martin Luther King Day. Stay safe. Don't drink and drive.
Enjoy the snow if you like the snow.
Yes.
If you don't like the snow, then complain about it like me.
All right. Bye, guys. We'll see you next week.
Bye, guys.